Here we're asked to solve this with a logical AND in between the two inequalities. So we're going to think of AND as the intersection of these two sets. Let's first solve each one individually. First add 7. Leaves me with 2x is greater than negative 2. And then dividing by 2. The first inequality we have here is x is greater than negative 1. And at the same time, we need all the solutions that solve this second inequality. So we'll first subtract 1 there, and then leaves me with 3x is less than 9. And then dividing by 3, that leaves me here with x is less than 3. Okay, so we want all the numbers that are greater than 1 and at the same time less than 3. So we're going to think of that as the intersection, because both of those have to occur at the same time. So let's look at this. Let's choose a good scale here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And just for instructional purposes, let's draw each one of these graphs above and we'll look for the intersection after that. So all the numbers greater than negative 1. Okay. So if I were to graph that on a number line, I would shade in all the numbers greater than negative 1 like that. For the second inequality, I would certainly shade in all the numbers less than 3. I'm going to use an open dot there as well. So this would be all the numbers less than 3. Okay, now where do where does the intersection occur with these two graphs? And you can easily see the intersection occurs right here. Now the open dot and the closed dot here, that's not an actual intersection. So we're going to leave an open dot at negative 1 and an open dot at 3 and shade in all the numbers that work for both. Okay, so this here would be the intersection. These are the numbers that solve both this and that at the same time. So let's convert that to interval notation. As interval notation, we would use a parenthesis because of the open dot. From negative 1 to 3. Okay, that's not an ordered pair x comma y. That's an interval in this context. Okay, so for AND, you want to look for the intersection. Those are the values that solve both of these at the same time.